everyone. I'm doing a short little video because Alex is here, and I'm about to get the Vicious Bee. This.
And I'm pretty close to getting Gummy Bee.
I've been saving up for Vicious for so long. Are you ready, Alex?
Yeah.
In 3. Alex, come here. I'm gonna claim him. In 3, 2, 1. I claimed it. I got a Vicious Bee egg. Oh my god. Oh, and the Mono chick just spawned. Perfect timing.
By the way, we got private servers.
Oh, I thought it just took like millions of stuff off of me. Why is it always, it's a basic? Alex?
Yeah?
It just ripped me off. What? It just ripped me off. I didn't get a Vicious Bee egg.
Just use it. Use it.
Use what?
Use the egg.
Oh, I didn't even. It was at the very bottom. Okay, I'm gonna use it on the Rage Bee under my Bear Bee. In 3, 2, 1, boom! Vicious Bee! Guys, we thank you for watching, and this little Vicious Bee will say goodbye.